Hey everybody. Today we're going to learn how to remove noise from audio in CapCut. Activating the built-in isolation algorithm instantly cleans up air conditioning hums, microphone hisses, and background static from your vocal tracks. First, launch CapCut and open your active project layout. Click on your audio or video track layer down on the horizontal timeline track layout to select it. Move your eyes to the Properties panel layout positioned in the upper right corner of your dashboard screen. Look at the top tabs inside this panel and click directly on Basic. Scroll down the Options layout until you locate the section explicitly labeled Reduce Noise. Click the checkbox or toggle switch right next to Noise Reduction to turn the cleaning engine completely on. The software engine will instantly process the sound frequencies, scrubbing away static without distorting your primary voice levels. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.